First things first, head over to the brush tool in your toolbar. Make sure you're using the soft, round brush. This is key because we want smooth, natural edges when we paint, especially since we're working on a delicate area like the lips. Now here comes the magic. Press Q on your keyboard to activate Quick Mask Mode. This is where we'll be painting the selection. Start carefully brushing over the lips. Take your time and zoom in if needed. The more precise you are here, the better the final effect will look. Paint over the lips gently and make sure to stay within the lines. You're literally painting a mask. How cool is that? Once you're happy with your painted area, press Q again. And just like that, the area you painted turns into a selection. Amazing, right? Now go down to the Adjustment Layers panel and choose Solid Color. Pick any lip color you like. I'm going with a bold, beautiful red today for that dramatic, classic look. Here's where the real magic happens. Change the blending mode of your color fill layer to color burn. Instantly, it gives the lips that deep, rich tone while preserving the texture underneath. Now to soften things a bit, reduce the opacity to 90% and the fill to around 60%. This keeps it looking vibrant, yet natural. And there you have it. Lips that stand out, look glossy, and totally transform the portrait. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've given your subject stunning lips with a pro-level retouch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome Photoshop tricks, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what color you're going to try. Maybe a bold purple or a glossy pink. Can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and keep shining.